with you. Good morning, guys. Do you know what day is today? Yeah, today's date is Tuesday. The second one. Tuesday. Very good. Let's see what we have to do today. Let's go over our booklet. Go and find your booklet, please. And look for page number 16. 1, 6. Okay? You have it? Okay. I know you have it. Okay. It is like yesterday. This is activity 12. And today we're having activity 13. 1, 3. It says, read and trace the song. Write the words. Okay, now you just have to write the words. Write. Okay, with your favorite color or with your pencil if you prefer. Okay, read and trace the song. Okay. Lee y traza la canción. Escribe las palabras. Okay, dice, the people, and now we can see the people go up. People go up. It means that whenever the people it's in the street, then the bus stops and then people goes up. Okay, inside the bus goes up. Or whenever they want to go out from the bus, they stand up. Up. Okay. Están esperando el autobús, so they go up. People go up. Okay, up, arriba. Okay, up on the bus, down, up and down. Okay, up and down. Okay, down, up, and down. Okay, let's go down. It says, the people on the bus go up and down all through the town. And right here, you have a bus, and then you have people, and then you have down, and then you have the town, and then you have up. Let's read the word bank right here and the little blue square en el cuadrito azul. It says word bank, banco de palabras. Town. ¿Ya encontraste el town? Okay, write it right there. Write town. Okay, now let's look for the bus. Look for the bus and write the word right here in the bus. Very good. People. Did you find it? Okay, very good. Encuéntrala porque lo vas a escribir ahí donde está people. Now it says down. Escribimos down. Así como dice aquí abajo, ahí escribimos. Okay. Then it says, ya nada más town ya la tenemos, que es la primera palabra, town. And the very last one is up, arriba. Okay? And that's all for today. I hope you enjoy your day. Have a very, very nice day. Take care at home. And I miss you a lot. I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys.